Captain Jimmy Armel here with Team Starbrite of NotLucky.org, guys. We have this big, beautiful Sportsman Open 312 that I'll be riding around on. Guys, I've grown up fishing on charter boats, man. This thing is not a charter boat. It is not something you take care of like a charter boat. This is next level, guys. It's even got a fancy pants thing that says yacht certified. Not real sure what that means, but we take care of it, right? So guys, one thing that I was unfamiliar with is this naked metal here, okay? It'll get salt spots and stuff on it. And a buddy of mine, Andy, told me to, hey, Starbrite makes that ultimate corrosion blocker. Obviously, we're on Team Starbrite, so we got us some of this, guys. All you do, nice and easy, just spray it on your cloth. And just like that, guys, leaves a protective coating. We actually were getting a little bit of water spots on there. Actually got them all off. So guys, what I do is I just start here, you know, go around, you get a little sudsy action there, and it gives you a nice little protective coating and leaves your metal looking shiny, guys. So go out and get you some of this. If you have any metal on your boat, keep it looking fresh for years to come, baby. Thank you.